Alright, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Renee and I share home related videos each week. So as you can see, I'm currently not in my home. I'm at a rental property. The landlord is overseas, so she asked me to prepare this premises for her for a new tenant. So what I'm seeing so far, some painting need to get done, so major cleaning. So I clear out some stuff. When the painting is finished, I can do the final cleaning. So let me show you around for you to see what the place is looking like now and after it is clean and stuff. So I hope you find this video motivating and enjoy. Okay, so far we are prepping the area to be painted, the stickers to be removed from the wall. This place used to rent furnished, so the furniture were removed, so now it is going to be rented unfurnished, so persons will bring in their own furniture pieces. So under the cupboards, need to paint. This area where the stove used to be needs to get cleaned up. Over by the kitchen sink area needs to be cleaned. The walls, as I mentioned, will be painted, and in the bathroom, the sink in here will need to be washed out. The toilet bowl, I have a duty here to try to get rid of this stain, so please stick around to the end as I will be going out to do a purchase to buy something to remove the stain from this toilet bowl. I'm not sure if she want to remove this seat or what, but the seat needs to be removed as well. The walls in the bedroom needs to be painted. We got a paint named Burnished Yellow for the bedroom. She want to stick with the same color, so the wall in the living room and kitchen is Morning Glory and the bedroom is Burnished Yellow. So while here prepping and testing out everything, we realized that a section of the bedroom wall, I'm not sure what you'd call this, it is hollow, so most of the top layer of the paint is, what should I say here, is removed, so we have to fill this area as well of the wall, fill it so it dry, and then we can paint over it. So this is a paint color that we're going to use, but I will start off to clear up some of the most heavy dirt and stuff, and then after the painting is finished, I'll come back in to do the final cleaning. So let me start off with the bathroom so you can watch from here as I do clean this bathroom. let me check out what they have inside. So these are all the products I'm seeing. There is this particular product. It normally had gleam at the front. I tried it before. Alright, so the Lanher bowl cleaner. If I don't see the gleam, I might just have to get that one. But let me check and see. Let me know which of these bowl cleaner you use before that remove stain perfectly. So I wonder if it's gleam. It did say our blue touch. I think it was gleam. Let me check and see. Alright, so I'm not seeing the one that I used last time, so I might just have to use, it was in a bottle like this before, bathroom, so I might just have to look around. It's because I use the Lanher brand a lot in over cleaner, and so let me see if I'm gonna try this one. This say remove rust and stain. So alright, so this one's a remove rust and stain. Alright, so I'm seeing 3 different types. Oh, is it flavors? So one is citrus, one is mint, and one is rose. Let me see which one I should take. Oh, and you have an on-demand toilet cleaner too. This one says dissolve rust, stubborn lines, care. Alright, you know what? I'm going to stick with my Lanher brand because I know the Lanher and it works well with other stuff. So guess what? I'm gonna try the rose. And it's a remove rust and mineral stains. Oh, nothing is at the back. So, well, it's a, see, it say rinse brush after use for stubborn stains. 381. So let us head on and check if this works. Okay, so this is day 2 of the project. What I need to do now, I need to remove these newspapers. I need to clear up here again because it looked like the paint stuff wash out and get this thing called dirty again. The walls are looking clean now, yes, since they are painted. Yes, as I mentioned, this is the Morning Glory Blue from Berger 303. You know your girl don't really love Morning Glory, but that's the color. So I know in here, these are some paint stains from long time. I guess when they are the first yellow. I'll see how much of this I can remove. But here I need to clean up these newspaper. Okay, so this is the wall. So the wall here is now patched and paint as well. So I'll get in here cleaned up, wipe out. And so let me see where we can start. The bathroom, I did most of the major thing so far. The mirror is painted well, and I'll just start cleaning. So the stuff I'll be using this Quickie non-scratch scouring pad. I'll try to use it on here, on the sink area here. As you can see, the old paint stuff dry on it, so I'll try and use that. I have my trusty cleaning rag. I like these rags because they don't leave the fur on them. And I have my soap. I put the soap powder in this container of soap powder. I have bleach and some other items. So let's get cleaning.
each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way, yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this. Climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight, and that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way, yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this, ever like, ever like, ever like, ever like, when it hurts like this.
If you had made it this far, thank you again for watching, guys. This turned out really well. I'm tired and all. I hope the new tenants love this property. If they do, they can do their own cleaning afterwards as well, but it is now prepared for the new tenant. And I just want to say thank you again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I share home related videos, and since you love this one, you will like the next one on screen, which is my bedroom cleaning video.